Hello students, today we will learn about enlivening a presentation. A slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas presented on slides. A slideshow enforces the idea adding special effects to a presentation increases its impact on the audience. Okay, students, note the fact that to make a duplicate copy of the current slide, press Ctrl plus D key combination. Let us first learn how to apply animation effect. The ability to move objects and text in all directions of the slide is called animation. You can animate the text or objects in a presentation by applying sound effects or visual effects, including movement. Animation is very helpful when you wish to focus on important points. It also controls the order or flow of information and helps to increase the audience interest. To make specific changes to the movement of text and objects, open Custom Animation Task pane. Okay, students, note the fact that in Custom Animation Task pane, a number 0, 1, 2 indicates the animation order. A mouse icon means that the applied effect starts with a mouse click. Star symbol indicates the type of effect used in a slide. Open any presentation. Open Animations tab and click on Custom Animation button. The Custom Animation Task pane appears. Select any object and click on Add Effect button. A drop-down menu will appear with 4 options: Entrance, Emphasis, Exit, and Motion Paths. Move the mouse pointer on any option. It will display more options. Select any option and notice the preview on the main working slide. Choose the desired setting for direction, speed, etc. under Modify section and observe the preview. Apply other options from the Add Effects button and observe their effects. Click on Play button to preview your slide. Students, note the fact that to remove an item from the custom animation list, select the object and click on Remove button on the custom animation pane. Students, now let me give you a tip that we can use the reorder option to change the order of the different objects. Let us talk about adding transition. Transitions are used to add visual effects to the slides. Transition effects are the movements you see when one slide changes to another in a slideshow view. You can apply transition effects to all the slides or a single slide also. Follow these steps to add transition effects. Open any presentation. Select the slide, click on Animations tab. Transmission to this slide group appears on the top. By default, no transition is applied to each slide. Click on More drop-down arrow to display all the transition effects. Click on any transition effect from the display choices. The current slide will display a preview of the selected effect. Select the desired speed from the transition speed drop-down list. Click on the drop-down arrow of transition sound and select any sound effect of your choice. Click on the On Mouse Click checkbox if you want to advance the slide manually by clicking the mouse. Click on the Automatically After checkbox if you want the slide to advance automatically to the next one. You can specify the slide advance timings also. Click on Apply to All button to apply the selected effects on all the slides. Otherwise, those effects will be applied on the current slide only. Okay, students, note the fact that to use transitional sound effects, select Transition Sound drop-down arrow in Animations tab and select any sound. Choose Apply to All. Click on From Beginning button in Slideshow tab to display slide along with sound. Okay, students, now let me give you a tip that you can also apply transition effects in Slide Sorter view. Open Animations tab and select the desired slide transition effect. Let us now insert sound clips in presentation. You can add sound in the form of music or special effects to give importance to certain points. Music or sound can be added from the file saved on your computer, internet, recorded sound, or from some CD-ROM. Adding sound from a file. Select the slide and click on the Insert tab and select the Sound drop-down arrow in Media Clips group. Choose the Sound from File option from the pop-up menu. The Insert Sound dialog box will appear. Select the required sound file and click on Open. Microsoft Office PowerPoint dialog box appears, asking how do you want the sound to start in the slideshow. Click on the When Clicked button. A small icon of speaker appears on the slide. Double-click on the speaker icon to play the sound. Students know the fact that the recorded sound files are assigned the extension .wave. Let us share a tip that to continuously play any sound, click on the speaker icon on the slide. The Sound Tools menu opens. Select Loop Until Stop checkbox in the Sound Options group on the Options tab. Let us now learn inserting video clips. Video clips add liveliness to the presentation. You can add video clips from any CD and Microsoft Clip Gallery, which contains a wide range of art, sound, video, and related clips. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the Movie drop-down list in the Media Clips group. Select Movie from the File option. The Insert Movie dialog box appears. Select the required clip and click Open. The slide will turn black and Microsoft Office PowerPoint dialog box appears, asking how do you want the movie to start in slideshow. Click on either Automatically or When Clicked option. Okay, students, before moving forward, let us discuss about using action buttons. An action button is a ready-made button for defining hyperlink, a connection from one slide or file to another, to run a program or to play a sound. PowerPoint provides action buttons to play movies, sounds, clip art, images or text, etc. Follow these steps. Open an existing presentation. Click Insert tab, then go to Shapes. Select the action buttons from the bottom of the displayed list. For example, click on the action button End. The mouse pointer will change into single quote in, single quote close shape. Drag the mouse diagonally and release the mouse button. Action button will be drawn on the slide and Action Settings dialog box will appear. Select the Mouse Click tab. To create the hyperlink, click on the Hyperlink to option and then select the destination, previous slide, next slide, etc. from the drop-down list. The last slide option will be displayed automatically in the text box. Select any destination and click on OK. To link a file created in another program in Hyperlink to List, click Other File option. To play a sound, select Play Sound checkbox and then select the sound that you want to play. Click OK. Now press F5 to view the slideshow. Click on the action button in the slideshow. The last slide will be displayed. Alright students, note the fact that a hyperlink is a connection from one slide to another presentation or any other file or any website or web page. It can be applied on text or objects such as pictures, shapes, etc.